Hello traders, Captain Safa here from Algo Tradingo. In this video, we want to speak a little about liquidity providers for brokerage in forex. Actually, these kind of companies are subsidiary of some banks. Some of them has their own banks, like Dukascopy. There's a bank with the name of the Dukascopy, and the subsidiary of that as a liquidity provider called Dukascopy as well. And other ones may work as a subsidiary of some banks, and they make liquid for banks for the traders. There are different liquidity providers. Actually, we can call them exchangers of forex. The biggest one is LMAX. That is one of the biggest in the world. And actually, I can tell you that the price, first of all, will be known in the LMAX and then spread in other liquidity providers. The only way that you can work with the liquidity providers is enough money and big money. For more than about $10 million, you can work straight with the liquidity providers, and you can just do position trading with them. Actually, you can consider that half of the money that you pay for a spread and commission goes to the pocket of these guys, and the half of that will remain for the brokerage. And there are some important items that you can consider here. One of the biggest one is if the brokerage does work with more liquidity providers, it's good for you because every one of them has their bid and ask for themselves. For example, maybe your broker works with 3 or 4 different liquidity providers. For example, maybe your brokerage works with LMAX, FXCM, Barclays, Citibank, or Morgan Stanley, and other liquidity providers. Those are providers of the liquidity for different market, not just for the forex, for the stock and future option and other items. So if one of them get the bid and ask with the tightness like this, maybe another one get the brokerage a small amount of ask or a higher amount of bid, or maybe the other one give just smaller price, lower. Maybe one of them get less price for ask and the other one get higher price for bid. The brokerage, if work you in the fair manner, will give you this kind of tight spread. That's the bid is from one guy and the ask is from another liquidity provider. It is possible for the brokerage, and they use that. Actually, as far as I know, IC market, that is the Australian brokerage, and that is the only true ECN that I found here in the market, work in this way with the traders, and you can find actually zero spread, for example, for Euro USD sometimes in IC market in your real account. So this is very important that your brokerage work with big amount of these guys, and it is good for you. And the biggest one is LMAX. It's nice to know that first of all the price shows in the LMAX table and then goes to other guys for forex, because the biggest exchanger in the world is LMAX, and you can open an account in the LMAX as far as I know with about $10,000 as a brokerage that you can work with LMAX straight away.